Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to knit one more ribbed hat with this beautiful crown. The hat is knitted in rounds on circular needles. Also you may use double pointed needles. For this tutorial I was using Paintbox yarn. It is DK yarn and number 3, 100% acrylic. I do not recommend to use 100% acrylic yarn. This is just to show you how to knit such type of hat. But I always recommend using a wool blend yarn rather than acrylic because it's warmer, more breathable, and often more comfortable to wear. For this tutorial, you will need also circular needles or double pointed needles, 3.5 millimeters. The length is 16 inches or 40 centimeters. And for the crown, I was using double pointed needles, at least 4 pieces, same size. And for the last, you will need stitch markers, 6 or 7 pieces. Using long tail cast on method, circular needles 3.5 millimeters cast on 108 stitches or any other number multiple of 12, and at the end add one extra stitch. We are going to use this stitch to join and knit in rounds. So in total 109. Slip the first stitch to the right hand needle with the tip of left hand needle. Pick up the last stitch and slip it over the first one and drop the stitch of the needle. Pull tail and the working yarn and return first stitch back to the left hand needle. Place stitch marker and start knitting ribbon. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. And so on. Please go on ribbon and finish this round. Round number 2 will be the same as round number 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. So go on knitting ribbon, knit 1, purl 1, and then continue repeating the first round until the piece reaches 22-23 centimeters. And here I am, so let's measure. "23 centimeters or 9 inches. Now we need to divide the hat in 6 pieces and place stitch marker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you divide, each part will have 18 stitches. And we are going to start the first round with decreases. Slip, knit, pass over, then knit 1, purl 1, repeat 8 times. Knit 1, purl 1, 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 and knit 1, purl 1. Now repeat everything for the second section. Slip, knit, pass over, and then knit 1, purl 1 8 times. Knit 1, purl 1 till the next stitch marker. And the next section, repeat again. Slip, knit, pass over, and again knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 till the next stitch marker. And again after slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over, here after the stitch marker, slip, knit, pass over. I have finished the first round number 2. Again we start with decreases. Knit 2 together. After that we see the purl stitch, so purl 1, and then knit 1, purl 1, repeat 7 times, or till the next stitch marker. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Next section we repeat. Knit 2 together, then purl 1, and after knit 1, purl 1 7 times. Slip the stitch marker. Third section, repeat. Knit 2 together, and again knit 1, purl 1 till the yellow stitch marker. After the yellow stitch marker, again knit 2 together, then ribbon. After the green stitch marker, knit 2 together and ribbon. Then after the purple stitch marker, and so on. Round number 3, no decreases here. Knit 1, purl 1 around. Knit 1, purl 1. Go on and finish this round. Round number 4, again we repeat round number 3. No decreases here, just ribbon, knit 1, purl 1. Slip the stitch marker and continue. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Go on and finish this round. Round number 5, we are going to repeat everything from the first round. Slip, knit, pass over at the beginning, and then continue knitting the ribbon. Knit 1, purl 1, and here we're going to repeat already 7 times, not 8, as we did in the first round. Knit 1, purl 1. You don't need to count how many times you're repeating it, just repeat till the stitch marker. Knit 1, purl 1. Slip and repeat. Slip, knit, pass over. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Slip the stitch marker and repeat again. Slip, knit, pass over. And now continue with ribbon, knit 1, purl 1. Finish this round. Next round, round number 6, we will start with knit 2 together, then there will be purl 1 and ribbon till the next stitch marker, and again knit 2 together, purl 1 and knit 1, purl 1, ribbon, and till the stitch marker. After that, next 2 rounds knit without decreases and repeat again. So continue making decreases until you have 12 stitches. Here I am, and that's how the crown is looking. Really nice. I like it. When you wash the hat, it will look much better. Cut the yarn using yarn needle or tapestry needle or a hook. Slip remaining 12 stitches and remove stitch markers. Pull the tail to close. You may pull the tail once or twice more underneath the same stitches. And then on the wrong side, make a knot and weave in end. Great. Let's look. The hat is ready. Do not forget to wash it, dry it flat. And as I said, it will be better if you use wool blend yarn. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you are looking for written instruction, you can find it on my blog. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I wish you all the best and see you soon. Bye.